The Fluke 15B Max Kit digital multimeter is easy to use. Rotate the switch to start testing. This is for AC voltage. Press the hold button to activate the memory function. This is for DC voltage, used to measure voltage. The range button features automatic and manual range switching. This is for AC millivolts. Press the yellow button here to switch between resistance measurement, continuity mode, and diode mode. Typically, the most commonly used functions are DC voltage, resistance measurement, continuity buzzer mode, and diode test mode. This is for capacitance. This is for AC amperes. This is for AC milliamperes. This is for AC microamperes. Insert the black test lead and the red test list. Start the hashboard test, continuity buzzer mode.